So today I'm going to talk you about a big problem that people who start a business face. So when you start a business, the big problem you face is selling your product. When you start a company, people don't know you yet. So it's really important that you make publicity. You can have the best product in the world. If people don't know who you are, they will not buy your products. So that's the key. Make publicity. In our modern world, it's really easy to do that because a lot of people use social media networks. Here I have Facebook, so it's not that difficult to share your stuff to the world. So here we have Facebook. So you create your account and then you put the name of your company. My company is called Market DA. So the first step you have to do is put a picture that is related to your company. Don't put a picture with your face if your company is about, for example, doors and windows. So you can come here. You click here, add photos. You can upload photos of your products and you just put them here. So people, when they come on your page, they know what your company is all about. And also you can put a picture in the background. But after you do that, there's the big thing you have to do. You can post your first thing. So here you can see make post. So you can come here, you click. You can put a picture, a video of your product. So people will know what you're talking about. So you can put this. So let's say, for example, I write door for free. I click post. And here we have door for free. So when people come on your page, they will see what you posted. They can like your stuff and they can comment. Beside that, you can put the price of your stuff. By the same way, you can come here and click edit the post. And also, if you have a website, you can put just here the link to your website. So if people are interested with the thing you put it here with the photos, they can click on the link to your website and they will appear on your website. So then they can see all your products, and if they like it, they will continue to watch your website and maybe they will buy. So that's really important to do. The last thing you need to do is share your stuff with your friends. Let's say, for example, I have 100 friends. That means that 100 people will see my account. So if, let's say for example that my 100 friends have 100 friends each. If my 100 friends share my page, that means that 10,000 people will see my page. That's a lot. With just 100 friends. So that's really important. Share your stuff. Tell your friends to share your stuff, to put likes, so your page will earn popularity. And then people can come just right here, research for your company. They write Market DA and then they will appear here. They will see comments and people will be attracted by your page. Post a lot of photos. If you post photos, you just come here, you post photos, people will see the varieties of things you do, and they will like it, they will like, and they will share your post, and that means that we'll make more money, and that's really important. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice day.